Hello, my name is Sergio Explains, and as promised in my last video, I am going to show you another one of my collector's items. Right here, never mind that's a mini bottle that's very close to you. It might look big, but it's a mini bottle close to the camera. This is a full-size bottle that I have here with me. This is another one of those collector items that I really love in my collection. Of course, I drink Johnnie Walker on a regular basis, but you know what? Some people are collectors and some people are drinkers. I am both, but I will drink some Johnnie Walker that's not as collectible as this. This one, I don't think I will be drinking it. This is also a special edition wooden box, blue label Johnnie Walker. And I do also have the whatever it's called, somebody please tell me what this thing is called, the hard paper wrapping or whatnot for this specific bottle that came with it. Now, and that's the back of it. Now, I have seen this wooden box sold empty, of course, in eBay, but they never come with this. This is so extremely difficult to find. It's ridiculously hard to find because if someone is selling the box, it's because they drank the bottle, yeah? And if they drank the bottle, the first thing they did was they took this thing off and they threw it away. And having the complete set, with the hard paper wrapping or whatever it's called, the wooden box and full bottle in my collection, I'm actually proud of it. I'm showing it to you, I'm sharing it with you. Now, this box opens in a non-traditional way, let's put it that way. You might be able to see the diagonal line here. So if I were to open this way, we will have a problem. I'll do it, but you'll see what happens. Okay, here we go. Oh, there we go. It's about to fall out of the box. Now, the best way to open this is you should have it laying down like this, and then you open it and you get the bottle out, and that's the best way to do it, because this box is just freaking weird. Now, weird I love. When I say strange and weird, you should be hearing I love this thing. The inside of it is like velvet, blue velvet. It's just wonderful to the touch and everything. They all come with a traditional booklet, and they got like hinges, and look at that. It's just this strange box that is just wonderful, especially with the whatchamacallit, hard paper wrapping. So there you go. And once again, the minis are there because I love to match. So many bottles, there is no place for my face in it. I love to match the full-size bottles to the mini. Now, the mini shape is the new one. This is the old discontinued shape of the bottle. Special edition wooden box. Adios, amigos.